everybody, welcome back to Kevlar82 TV, your positive car culture channel. Today we're going to be heading out to Corona, California to check out Live Life, which is it's a charity car show for suicide prevention to raise awareness for that. And of course, you know, you got to have your boy, you know, positive car culture channel. We got to be there for that one, you know, especially with a cause like that is something that I really want to be part of. And we're gonna stop by and say what's up to a couple friends. Hopefully some of my friends will be there. And if you see that little lady in the background, that's my little niece Brielle. You see if she's gonna be camera shy. Yeah, so basically we're just gonna go ahead and roll out. Got my little niece strapped in the back, Brielle right there. Unfortunately, I was trying to get her to say hi to everybody for my intro, but she's a little camera shy, and she's upset because she doesn't want to leave the house. We got a bunch of toys and video games and stuff like that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put a smile on this little girl's face. So let's go ahead and roll out. Trying to get some shots of this Porsche for you guys. Oh, there we go. I let off in the tunnel a little bit. Nice, man, nice. Get some clean shots for you guys right there. Check that out, man. I like it. A little downshift blip. That's nice. Like it, brother. Like it. All right, so yeah, we just pulled up, man. It's a small show, but it's some nice classics, man. You got some tuner cars. You got the Hyundai Veloster guys or whatever right there. Lineup, nice lineup. We're gonna go ahead and just walk around and just show you some of these nice cars, man. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today's video, man. Sorry it wasn't as long as the other ones, a little short. It was a small show, but I actually enjoyed it. Met a couple cool people. Unfortunately, my co-star over here, my little niece, Yeah, she didn't want to cooperate in this one, so sorry guys. We'll probably do is after this clip, I'll probably cut back when we're at the house and see if she loosens up for the camera or whatever. We'll see if she'll have a little fun or whatever. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss out. New video every single Friday at 9:30 a.m. starting Monday, October the 9th. We're gonna do weekly vlogs, so we're gonna have vlogs every Monday at 9:30 a.m. So you guys are gonna be getting 2 videos a week. So if you subscribe, I'm gonna have plenty of content for you guys, man. And I really love this. I'm really passionate about the channel. That's the reason why, you know, it's called the Positive Car Culture Channel. That's what I stand for. And events like this is it's definitely something that I want to be involved in any way, you know, even if I just show up and just film the cars or whatever. Had a good time. As always, hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Until the next one, it's your boy Kevin Smiley, Kevlar82 TV, signing out. Peace. Look, you're driving. She's doing it, dude. She's doing donuts. That's natural. Look at her. You're driving. Go faster. Oh no, the wall. You hit the wall. Like, I just taught my niece how to drive a car on Forza Horizon 3. Good times, right? And my co-star is having a little bit more fun right now. I told you guys, if I brought her back to the house, that's what she wanted. She just wanted to play. Isn't that right, Brielle? You just wanted to play? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Brielle, yeah. Can you do me a favor? Tell everybody on the camera, say bye-bye, see you later. Bye-bye, see you later. All right, you guys. Catch you guys later. Peace. And I'm feeling